Hey YouTube. Today I got a tree in the mail from Tata Nurseries. It's a Nakita's Gift Persimmon tree. So I'm gonna open up the box and I'll show you guys what it looked like. So this is my first unboxing. You can see here it's wrapped in plastic. Sometimes they put like a black hard plastic on top of this saran wrap. And sometimes also they'll have like a clear jelly inside, like surrounding the roots. And then there'll be the saran wrap, and then there's the black hard plastic. But I don't see the hard plastic this time. Actually, this is clear plastic. So it looks like saran wrap on top of this clear thick plastic here. So let me take this off and I'll show you guys what the roots look like. Okay, so I took the saran wrap off and now I gotta get this hard plastic off. It's taped pretty well, so I'm gonna use my trusty machete here and I'm gonna just cut it straight down the middle carefully without cutting the roots. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'll cut it straight down the middle and you can see it's jelly on the inside, and some dirt. So I'm just gonna finish taking off the plastic, get rid of the jelly, and I will show you the next step that I will be doing. All right. Okay, I got some water. So what I'm gonna do is just put the water inside of this blue bucket here and then let it stay in there until tomorrow because it's nighttime now. The box was delivered late, so, and I don't have all my materials either. So I'm just gonna put the water in. And then go to the store tomorrow and get some more soil and plant this baby up. This is a Nakita's Gift. The fruit I heard is good. I'm not sure, but you know, that's why we plant trees, right? We plant them and try it out. But I heard it's good. I have good ratings, so I trust the reviews. This is a 4 to 5 foot tree. Let me show you the tag. You can see here it says Nakita's Gift Persimmon, 4 to 5 foot tree. So again, it's supposed to have good fruit and I want to try it for myself. I don't know about you guys, but this type of fruit is not in my area, so I don't know what it tastes like. I guess the only other way is to order it online and have it shipped to me. I know people do that. They order fruit and have it shipped to them. So I never tried it, but I'm open to it. So let me go in the light here a little bit with the tree. I'm in my garage, obviously. So you can see here the roots. Everything is like still bundled up and still have a little jelly on it, but that's okay. So we let it sit in this water overnight. And that's it, you guys. I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Show you what the finished product looked like. Thanks for watching. Bye.